pupils, this is Dorothy. Today we are going to take an interesting topic in mathematics for year 6, and that will be area of plane shapes. So the last class we talked about perimeter, isn't it? Where you have to take the total measure of a particular shape. But today we are going to look at the area of a plane shape, and that means it's like a summary, isn't it? Yes, I can hear you say that, Emmanuel and Isaac. So today we are going to define what's the meaning of area of a plane shape. You've heard the word area over time. The area of a plane shape is the size of the surface covered by the shape. To me, this might make you forget it. You might not actually pick the actual definition of area. Area talks about what? Picking a side of a particular shape, one at a time. Do you understand? Good. So now I remember area is always measured in square units. Good. It's measured in square units. See it. If I'm multiplying centimeter by centimeter, at the end of the day, I will square it. But this wasn't the case in perimeter. Perimeter never had any superscript of what? 2. Isn't it? You go ahead and just write centimeter and that's it. It worked for perimeter, but here, if this is missing, it's a minus for you, because this is a common entrance class. Do you understand? So mind what you are looking out for when you are asked to find the area of a particular shape. You might see 14 cm square and you see 14 cm. Make sure you choose the one with square and leave out the one without square, because the one with square is the one actually talking about area of the plane shape. So let's get to the board. Now I'm going to take the first one, and that shape will be my rectangle. Number 1. Area of a rectangle. This is the simplest. That's why I chose it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Do you understand? Good. The area of a rectangle is very simple. And what is it? The formula is length times what? Breadth. This is simple. You can call it breadth or you call it what? Width. Whichever one that works for us, we choose. Do you understand? But they mean same thing. So this is what you see all the time. People will always write it L times B, or they have W. Anyone. Are you saying that? If it's going to confuse you, I'm going to clean it so you can see it. It could be that or it could be this. Do you see that? So one example using this. I'm going to solve it on the board now. Okay, we have calculate the area of a rectangle whose length is 7. Watch me. Calculate the area of a rectangle, comma, whose length is 7 cm. Okay, and what else? And breadth 5 cm. And breadth or width, whichever one you choose, remember, is 5 cm. Now, applying this principle, the length is what? 7. So if we are using this formula, L times B, it will give us 7, which is the length, and the breadth is what? 5. All in cm. Now, 7 times 5 will give you what? 35 cm. Remember, I have 7 cm here and 5 cm here. So if I want to remove this, it's equally possible. If I want to take away the bracket, I can do it easily. Do you understand? But if I want to include my bracket, I can go ahead and do that. Remember, don't be confused. So the cm is in 2 places, so I'm going to write the power 2 there, and this is my answer. Number 2, we are going to look at area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. So you don't get confused, let me quickly rule it out, because it's good I rule it out. You know what you are doing. You don't get confused. So, like I said, I'm just giving you a tidbit on this topic. I'm going straight to the point to give you the formula. So, you just just know it, learn it, memorize it, go ahead, use it to solving questions over and over, you get used to it. So the next one is area of a triangle, and we have it to be what? Area of a triangle is what? Half base, remember, times height. This is this. You usually see it denoted this way, oftentimes by mathematicians. You have half, you have the base as this, the acronym, and the height as this. Is it not so? Yes, this is what we are used to. So you will know that this thing is for, this particular B is acronym for base, and this H is for height. So, example, we're going to look at the example. Let me get a question for that from my book. So we have example here. It says, find the area of a what? Of a rectangle. Whoa, this one is very simple and I like it so much. It went straight to the point. It said, calculate the area. Good. Calculate the area of the triangle whose, hope I don't need to draw these shapes for you. You know already how they look like. This is how a rectangle looks like. Okay? So you don't ask, what does it look like? And this is how a triangle looks like. It's good you always remember. Okay? Whose base is what? The base of this one is 9. Whose base is 9 cm and height is what? 6 cm. So that's what I saw. Oh. Yeah, that is what I saw. So now to solve this solution, watch. To solve this, okay, I'm going to apply my formula. Half base times height. Now I'll take it step by step. I'll write 1/2 as my half, then times my base is what? Whose base? I've seen it, please don't be offended. Whose base, omitted that, is good. Now the base is 9 cm and the height is 6 cm. Now do you know the second thing to do? I'm going to divide. Watch. 2 divide itself here, 1. 2 divide this, it will give me what? 3. So now I am left with what? 9 cm times 3 cm. At the end of the day, my answer will be what? 27 cm squared. Remember what I told you. 9 times 3 is 27. The next one, we are going to look at area of the square. This one is very simple. We don't need to talk about it, but I will still talk about it so you can refresh your memory and know it very, very well. So area of a square is what? Side times side. That is the formula. Side times side. You always see people do this. X times X. This is how they denote it. Side times side. So let me solve one question there. So they said, calculate the area of a square with sides 8 meters. Calculate the area of a square with sides, okay, with sides what? 8 meters. Okay. See what is happening. Are you noting my units? Now, there is a change here. I'm talking about meters now. So I have to be careful about minutes. Your units, rather. So I have solution. All right. Are you listening? Good. So what I'm going to do now is what? 8. If I take the formula, S times X, which is equal to what? 8 times 8. And my answer will give me what? 64. 4-meter what? Square. All these are meters. Do you know why it's like this? Because a square has all the sides what? Equal. Are you getting it? This is the 2D, the two-dimensional presentation of a square. In the 3D form is a cube. Do you remember? Good. So now let's take another one. Alright, so I think I've done for how many shapes? 3 shapes. So I think on Thursday I'm going to round off this class. Then I can take parallelogram, trapezium, and rhombus. There's remaining 3 more to go. Do you understand? Just because of the time constraint and the space of the board. Do you understand? So the worksheet we are going to send across is going to involve these. And the one I'm going to teach on Thursday. So for this week, we are going to deal on plain what? Shapes. But for now, keep practicing. Memorize all this is important. For the square, you memorize these. Okay, let me use my red to highlight. Memorize this for your square. Memorize this for your what? For your triangle. Please do that. And then always remember that this will always work for rectangle. You understand? And note the shapes. Because oftentimes the examiner might choose to go with pictures without words, expecting you to identify, or you've already known the shape, and then you'll be able to solve the perimeter and the area. Till we meet in our next class on Thursday, when we talk about plane shapes again, area of plane shapes rather. Keep staying safe and clean at home, Emmanuel and Isaac, and then try to solve questions involving area of plane shapes. We love you so much. Bye.